Hello everyone, you're on the Geekbox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to reset DualSense controller. Let's go. First way. Turn off your PlayStation 5. Disconnect the controller from the USB cable. Find the reset button. Hold down the reset button for 5 seconds. Second way. Turn the PlayStation 5 and controller on. They are paired. That's fine. Plug your controller into the PlayStation 5 using a USB cable. Find the reset button. Hold down the reset button for 5 seconds. That's it. Now you know how to reset DualSense controller. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.